Leapfrog Crypto here. Just a quick reminder, all the content here is purely educational, showing you how I use bots in crypto trading. This isn't financial advice, I'm simply sharing my experiences and strategies. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Happy trading! Let's break down Bollinger Bands, a simple yet powerful tool for analyzing price volatility. Bollinger Bands consist of 3 lines. The middle line is the 20-day simple moving average, SMA, showing the average closing price over 20 days. The upper band is the 20-day SMA plus 2 standard deviations of recent prices. The lower band is the 20-day SMA minus 2 standard deviations. These bands adjust to market activity, expanding during high volatility and contracting in calmer markets. They can also be applied to other time frames like weekly or hourly data. Here's how traders use them. When the price moves above the upper band, it's often considered overbought, signaling a possible selling opportunity. When the price drops below the lower band, it's seen as oversold, suggesting a potential rebound and buying opportunity. Remember, Bollinger Bands are just one tool. Price movements also depend on factors like company performance and economic events. Use Bollinger Bands wisely, pair them with other tools, and always trade smart. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips.